Okay, so we've got a 2018 Mini Cooper S in a John Cooper Works, blue in colour, automatic hatch in a 2-litre turbo, with the reverse camera, reverse sensors, beautiful set of alloy wheels. The exterior of the car presents like new. It's only travelled 11,000 kilometres. Got the suede leather interior, got the big panoramic sunroof. Take a look at the interior. So multi-function steering wheel including Bluetooth cruise control. There's your dash there. Got the satellite navigation, reverse camera, dual zone climate air, automatic of course. There's your command center there. Interior seats are in excellent condition. There's no wear or damage, just as you'd like. Got the side airbags there as well. Get this to come forward. And there's your back seat there, also in very good condition. I'll show you inside the boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.